Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be affordable perfumes. So I've done a couple of videos like this in the past also. I'll leave the links in the description box. You can check them out. I'm not sure if I'm repeating any of the perfumes. So a lot of you guys keep asking me about affordable perfumes. So I thought this will give you guys an idea of them. And all of these are mostly between 500 to 1000. One or two might be a little above that, but mostly everything is very affordable. And I'm not including mists in this, like Bath and Body Works mists or Victoria's Secret mists. I've done separate Bath and Body Works haul, so you can check that out. Or if you'd like to see any Bath and Body Works recommendations, let me know in the comments below. I would definitely do that as well. Now let's begin after that long intro. So this is my new favorite. It is Lollipop Pink by Miniso. So when Miniso opened, actually I did try out a couple of perfumes, and after like spritzing, I walked around the store and then I felt like they were not long lasting, but this one is amazing. It's quite long lasting and it smells really good. It's very fruity. It's a fruity perfume, but it has a little bit muskness to it, so it's kind of perfumey and not like super fruity. But if you do like fruity variants, then you will like this. So it smells exactly like what it says, pink lollipop. It smells like nice cotton candy and really nice fruity flavor. This one, you must try this, and I think they had like few other variants in this. I've seen like a blue bottle, yellow bottle. I think each one was a different variant. Like one was, I think, Sea Breeze, and yellow was something else. So I think you can find these on Amazon as well if you don't want to go to the store. I've been using this non-stop since I got it, and I also have a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned till the end. Next we have my recent purchase. This is from Zara, and this is just for 590 rupees. They have different sizes in this. So this, I think, is the smallest bottle. So Zara has a lot of perfumes and a lot of variants, and everything is super affordable. So this one is the Violet Blossom, and this one is for 590 rupees, and this is quite a small bottle. They have the same thing in bigger bottles also, so you'll get the next size for 990, and there's one for 1500 or 1590, I think. So you can get whichever variant, but I like to try out the small ones, and if I like it so much that it gets over, then I like to pick up a bigger bottle. So this one is kind of like a night perfume and more like a winter perfume, like for the colder season, because it's like very warm and very like seductive kind of a perfume. It has a vanilla to it. It reminds me a little bit of Dark Kiss from Bath and Body Works. It's not plain vanilla, sugary vanilla, but has like a deepness to it. So it's more of a night perfume. It's a very beautiful scent, and I think usually you get such perfumes in high-end perfumes. I think Dio has some perfume called, I think, Poison, and this kind of reminds me of that. I think Night Poison. I'm not sure. I'll try and put a picture here. So it kind of reminds me of that. So that's what I'm saying. In high-end perfumes, you usually see this kind of fragrance. So if you're someone who's looking for a budget-friendly one, then this is great. So yeah, again, exactly like it says, Violet Blossom. It smells really good, and in a similar packaging they have like a couple of variants. I think in a red one there's something called Red Vanilla or something like that, and they have few others like this in different sizes and different variants. So they have a really good collection. Actually, once I picked out products that I want to show you guys, I realized that a lot of them are from Zara, but I couldn't help it because they're very affordable. We'll do one more Zara. This is Joyful Tuberose, and this one's also really good. And look at the packaging. It's sort of like a really cute blush pink, and again, I think this variant is 990. They have like different variants, and they also usually have a roll-on. This is exactly the same perfume. I mean, this is not this variant, but you'll get a roller pack like this also. So these are extremely affordable. So if you're like making a gift basket of a couple of products, like makeup products and everything, then you can include this also. This is quite affordable, and they actually have really good fragrances, so it's really nice. It's a little bit like Nina by Nina Ricci, so it has like citrusy kind of a fragrance, but at the same time it has a little bit of a hint of sweetness to it and muskiness to it. So again, this is also a great perfume. So I had to spritz it on myself to remember the scent, because it's been a while since I used this. I think I got this a while back, like during some Christmas shopping, I think. So this is Zara Woman. This is like basic variant, but I really like the pump. This was a gift. and has like shimmer particles in it which don't show up on your skin, by the way. Again, this is also a very good perfume. They have different sizes in this. The smaller one doesn't come with the pump. That's the only problem, but again, it's a great gift, especially if you're going to give it with along other things. It's a great gift because of the packaging and everything. Again, this one smells really good. It's kind of fresh with a little musk in it, so it's a pretty basic perfume, a regular wear kind of a perfume. It doesn't have like too many specific details to it, but works really well for everyday use. And if you're looking for like a basic perfume but at the same time something with a nice packaging, then this one is the one to go. This is the roll-on for the same thing. This is also Zara Woman. Again, it was a gift so I just have both these, and they're great. You can use this, put it in your handbag. Next we have this from Marks and Spencer's, and it's called Butterfly, which is so cute. The packaging is just so beautiful. Again, this is a great option for gifting. So Marks and Spencer's also has really good affordable perfumes. They also have like good shower products and lotions and all those things. They're very affordable, and especially during sale. I think I got this on sale. I think this is a little about 1,000, but then I think I got it on sale. Again, they also have like different sizes. So the smaller size in the exact same one, but I think it comes in a normal packaging. But if you're looking for gifting, then this is great. This is a very nice summer fragrance, so it is very fresh and very daytime kind of a fragrance. Kind of a fun perfume, especially if you like something a little fresh and citrusy and fruity. So this is not one of my favorites. I usually like them a little more fruity, but this one's a little more floral than fruity. So if you like fresh scents, I would totally recommend this, and cute packaging. Next up, I have this Dio. This is Nina by Nina Ricci, and again, if you are someone who likes these high-end perfumes or like luxury perfumes, which usually are priced around 3,000-4,000 or 5,000, but you want to get the same fragrance and not spend so much, then again, this is a great idea. Again, this was also a gift. I think this was around 1,100. Mostly they are usually between like 1,000 to 1,500. Every perfume most probably has this kind of a deal. Not every perfume, but some perfumes do have like smaller sizes, and also they have this deal. It smells exactly the same, of course, as the perfume, and it's a affordable option. Nina by Nina Ricci is a little bit like apple and citrusy. It is really nice. It's kind of a mix of fruity, citrusy, and fresh scent. So very good one. So again, definitely try this. I have a mini variant in this one also. Again, I wanted to tell you guys, minis is the best option. So if you want to get the perfume but you don't want to spend so much, then minis is great. I do see a lot of Instagram selling mini versions these days, and I also see them on Myntra at times, Myntra or Amazon or Nykaa. I'll try and link them in the description box. Like I've seen minis for Bulgari. I have like a bigger version and the same thing, but I've seen minis of the same thing on Myntra, and during sale I got like three pieces, and I put them in like gift basket and gifted them. So again, minis is a great option. So that was my affordable perfumes collection, you guys. I hope this gave you guys a lot of ideas. I've done 1 or 2 versions earlier as well. I will try and link them in the description box. I may have included some mists and deos and everything also in those videos. So yeah, do check them out. You will definitely find some good affordable perfumes in those videos as well. So let me know what other videos you would like to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram. And also for the giveaway, I have all of these products for you guys, so I hope you participate in the giveaway. It's been a really long time and I haven't done the 50k giveaway, so I just wanted to do one. And I also want to do like a series of giveaways because it's my birthday month. These are all the products that are up for grabs, and I will also leave them in the description box. All the details will be in the description box. Of course, these giveaways are only for my subscribers, so you have to be subscribed to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, and just basically be active on my channel, and leave a comment with your Instagram handle as well so that I can find you guys. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.